Hello there, I'm at Kit and Sam with Kit and Sam. It's such an amazing privilege to be over here. It's one of my favorite places to come and hang out and get pampered. And today I've got for you all a lot of questions.
I also have a lot of questions for you, Craig.
Alright, so here's what I'm going to begin with. Our session over here is going to be talking about grooming and confidence. And I want to begin by asking you, how does good grooming help individuals to feel confident?
So eventually, if you take care of yourself and you eventually look good, you'll end up feeling confident. So when your hair is tapered well, when your beard is tapered well, you automatically feel confident.
Okay, that's pretty interesting. I want to ask you, how would you define healthy hair?
So products can be a delusion, but saying whether it's healthy hair or not, the shine, the coating on the hair. If there's a natural shine on the hair is healthy and good.
So the shine is what
the most important.
Interesting. When you're at a restaurant or a place where you love to hang out, and there's a guy who walks by, and you go, "Man, he's got a good hairstyle." What will make you say that?
The edgy hairstyle.
Yeah, the edgy hairstyle, yeah.
But how his beard is styled and how well his hair is faded. So it has to be in sync, with your fade and your beard and how well. So styling is very easy, but that aftercare when the person is styled well and is out, I'll be like, wow, this is a nice hairstyle.
Guys out there, you know now what to look out for and what to keep in mind. Samir, I have a question for you.
Yes, sure.
I was really excited to hear that you're coming out with a corporate grooming package. Tell us more about it.
Yeah, so this is a very designed plan which we are offering for companies who have employees who represent their company, and since grooming is a necessity for everyone, their looks and style will be taken care by us. So it's a budgeted plan for companies that is offered.
Okay, wow. So this is great for companies who have employees which are customer facing, where there's a lot of in-person engagement.
Definitely, like companies, even like restaurants, bars, and real estate agents, companies that have got people working with them with a lot of interaction with their clientele. So they'll be well groomed, and if they look good, they feel good, they will perform well, and it's
Absolutely. I really agree. When employees look good, they feel confident about themselves, and they're able to serve the customer better. So I really want to wish you the best. I think this venture is going to be tremendous. It is really a need for the industry. I'm so glad, Samir, that you're getting it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Craig, I have a lot of questions for you.
Right
also.
on, go ahead.
So as a communicator trainer, what makes you confident?
Okay, so that's interesting. How grooming and confidence is connected is when you know your content, the value that you bring. And then when you take care of yourself, you're putting yourself in that spot that I'm looking my best, I'm feeling my best, I'm giving my best.
I think totally agree on
that.
That
Is what
That's
the
true.
difference.
Tell me something, you interact with a lot of students, a lot of corporates and a lot of college people. Why do you think people have that fear of public speaking?
The greatest fear I feel is, what will people think of me? The fear of evaluation, the fear of judgment can actually paralyze people from getting outside their comfort zone. And I just tell individuals, focus on the value that you bring. If you focus on how you can help others, that fear will go away in public
I
speaking.
agree. What do you feel about your haircut when you walk out of Kit and Sam?
When I walk into Kit and Sam, let's talk that. When I walk into Kit and Sam, it's a really friendly environment. It's clean, it's professional. I feel pampered. I think everyone on this earth loves to feel pampered.
Absolutely.
So that happens every time I come here, and I walk out feeling good.
Wow, that's nice. So you think pampering is very important for men also nowadays?
I think,
And self-grooming is important for men?
yeah, with hectic lifestyle, to have that space where you can just chill out and just allow someone else to serve you, I think it's so beautiful.
Yeah, so grooming has taken a different toll itself with men. Before, men were not that knowledge, about how to take care of their hair or their beard. But at today's time, if you see, I think men are very well versed with what they want for their hair, what they want for the beard, and how to take care of themselves. Yeah, even styling. Today you see everybody knows exactly. Like a kid will know what they want.
That's so true. Well, I can see the chat box is buzzing, and I want to thank everyone for
Hello,
joining
everyone.
in. Yeah, really, really.
Are you okay with trying new hairstyles?
I think with hairstyles, you've got to be comfortable with what you're sporting. It's got to somehow suit your personality. So I think within that space, I am kind of comfortable trying, but it's a very, very narrow comfort level, I would say.
Yeah, I know, but I guess it just takes a little, please break, do this, do this. You'll be like, okay, let's
do it.
Head massages, we have beard trimming, we have manicures, pedicures, we have cleanup, we have a lot of hair
Hair
spas.
treatments, color, chemical treatments for hair, straightening, rebonding, anti-frizz treatments.
But I hope you heard that. There is a plethora of services being offered out here at Kit and Sam. A great place to come to take care of yourself and feel good about yourself. And always remember that grooming and confidence go hand in hand. When you take care of yourself, you feel good about yourself, and you can give the best to what you have, And it's similarly with public speaking. Just bear in mind, everyone out there watching this. Maybe you're someone who says, I don't like to get in front of a camera, or I don't like to get in front of people and talk and present. But I just want to say, know your value, know your content. Ask yourself, how can it help others? And when you know that you are helping someone, I think that also gives confidence.
I totally agree with you on that.
Well, it's been such a joy and a privilege to interact
Thank you
with
so much.
you, Kit, and you,
Thank
Sam.
you so
I
much.
wish you all the best for this venture of corporate grooming. Please note that corporate grooming, great packages coming your way. And do come down and visit Kit and Sam, the salon. Quickly, get pampered and enjoy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.